want to show you a quick mask. You can do it at home with only a few ingredients, just to recover your protein loss on your hair. I noticed that when I put protein on my hair, tend to look more shine and to repair some damage of my strand. So I have been using the Joico 4-step treatment 7 times by now. I only have 3 times to use it because my hairdresser told me to use 10 times, then I will stop, because it is a treatment and you don't have to do it very often. After just one mask, it has, in my opinion, the same. It did the same job like the Joico 4-step treatment. So I like it so much, this type of mask. The next time I will wash only with my shampoo and conditioner that are made in Korea with protein, like I told you in the beginning of this video. So thank you very much for being here and for watching my video. If you like it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Friday a new video. Till next one, bye bye guys. I will show you the mask and how to apply to your hair. I only left the mask about 1 hour, because with egg tend to dry more on my hair, and it is hard just to wash out. Meanwhile, Monday I will have my hair appointment just to color my root, because my roots are growing and my gray hair appears again. I will maintain my brunette color, and maybe I am I guess 80% decide to cut off my hair. Maybe this I will cut. I was in the past, I have in the past the same haircut, and my hair feels so shine and so healthy, because when you get rid of the hair that have been bleached, you give another vibe and another healthy look to your hair, because you from the root the hair is healthy and you don't see the ends that are so damaged. I tried the 4-step treatment. It is a good treatment, but for my hair that has bleached 3 times, seems not to work so well. So Monday I will decide if I cut my hair and start from healthy hair, just to maintain it and not to have bleach in my hair. I guess I'm done with the bleach, and I will never return to blonde hair, because for my fine hair it makes my hair brittle and dry, and it's very hard, even with the treatment on the market, just to revive my hair. So if you want to go blonde, pay attention and think twice before you bleach your hair, because it is an irreversible process. Meanwhile, I want to talk about the protein on your hair. Many of us have the hair that need protein, or other need moisture. For my type of hair, I was struggling for so many years to find the right product, but now I guess protein, it's what my hair need. So I was buying a new product for my hair, my first Korean product. Sorry for the light, the sun is in the cloud and the light is different. So my first Korean product, I read that protein by soybeans or other type of ingredient help your hair. So I was buying 2 products. One is the shampoo and the conditioner that I will show you right now. So this is the shampoo from CP1 is the brand, Bright Complex Intense Nourish Shampoo. It is a professional from Aesthetic House. I like the bottle because it is big, half a liter has, and has this nice pump just to make it easier to use it. And what pay my attention is that has protein in it from different kind of seed. So it has hydrolyzed silk, and it is gently and effectively for damaged hair. So if you have damaged hair, this type of shampoo will help you. I will give it a try today because it is my wash day, and I will show you the result and my impression. So in the same brand I was buying the conditioner, same Bright Complex Intense conditioner, also with hydrolyzed silk. In the last period I noticed that when you buy a product, you have to buy the conditioner, shampoo with the conditioner from the same brand, because they have the same, almost the same ingredient, and to get more result and more better result, you have to use it together. So I will make my homemade mask and I will show you. After I will wash with these two products, and I will catch up with you later to show how my hair look after I use this. I will put a towel on my shoulder, just not to make my t-shirt dirt, and I will apply the mask. I like just to put my finger in it and just rub on my finger, just to melt even better the coconut, and just apply from my root, because coconut has great effect on dandruff, and coconut organ oil just to improve the hair growth, and with the protein from the egg, your hair will look better, and you will improve your hair health and condition. Last time that I was using this mask, I didn't put olive oil, so now I want to see if my hair look different. And with the new shampoo and conditioner, I'm more curious to see the result. Just gently apply on my strand. From the egg, it tends to dry quickly, so I have to move faster just to apply my mask. I have struggled with my hair fall. I didn't use any type of shampoo or treatment because I don't believe in it, guys. I was using from in the past for a certain period of time, and I didn't see a result. So many of that type of product I read that are just marketing for us people like me, which struggle with hair loss, and after some chemical treatment, like I have my bleach and other coloring session. We make our hair weak, guys, so be very careful when you start to color and to bleach your hair, because it doesn't look like on Instagram or on YouTube. You just put the bleach and you have blonde, nice hair, healthy, shiny. You have to pay more attention, because if we have a lot of product, it is right for maintain and to improve the health of bleach hair. But if you made the mistake like I did to bleach your hair several times in a short, I don't think it is short, but I managed to bleach my hair same length. So in 1 year I have bleached my hair 3 times. I just finished to apply my mask, so I will let it sit for about 1 hour while I do my job, my work in the house. Then I will wash it and I will show you the result. So this is my hair after I have washed it. I like how shiny it is, and the protein from the shampoo and the conditioner make this happen. Also, the mask that I have made with egg, coconut oil, olive oil and argan oil, also this did this. Look how shine my hair look. Except the mid ends that are damaged, and for sure Monday I will cut maybe something like this. But I like how straight and shiny and soft my hair is. After just one mask, it has, in my opinion, the same. It did the same job like the Joico for 4-step treatment. So I like it so much, this type of mask. The next time I will wash only with my shampoo and conditioner that are made in Korea with protein, like I told you in the beginning of this video. So thank you very much for being here and for watching my video. If you like it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Friday a new video. Till next one, bye bye guys.